Draw, glass, book. Let's draw from number 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, let's draw from the numbers. 1 becomes a number box. 2 becomes a beautiful swan. 3 becomes a hardworking bee. 4 becomes an umbrella. 5 becomes an apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. 6 becomes a fish. 7 becomes an alligator. 8 becomes a bear. 9 becomes an ice cream. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.